Hey everyone! Struggling with the could not connect error on Snapchat for Android? It can be a real headache, but I'm here to help you fix it with some easy troubleshooting steps. Let's jump right into it and get your Snapchat back online. Before you follow anything, here is what you need to do. Open Settings, scroll down, tap Developer option, scroll down, enable Wi-Fi scan throttling, scroll down, tap Mobile Data Always Active, and after that, just restart your Android and your problem should be solved. Still have problems? Then try following the next process. Solution 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile network. To do this, open a browser on your phone. Search anything to verify your internet is working. If the connection is slow or unstable, try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that works or not. Solution 2. Clear app cache and reinstall the app. Long press on the app icon, tap on the I button, go to storage, tap on clear cache, and after that, force stop the app. Uninstall and install the app again. Solution 3. Check app permission. Long press on Snapchat app, tap on the I button, go to permission, make sure all the permission is turned on. After that, go back. Solution 4. Check your Android system updates. Lastly, an outdated Android system could cause compatibility issues. Open Settings, go to Software Update, tap Download and install any available updates. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the could not connect error in Snapchat on Android. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.